Hello everyone, myself Deepika, working as an assistant professor in RPIIT Technical and Medical Campus, Bastada, Karna. Today, in this video, we are going to discuss about intellectual property rights. This include introduction, scope, importance, trademark, copyrights, patent, and industrial design. So first of all, its introduction. Intellectual property is something produced using human intellect which has commercial value. Examples of intellectual property are an invention relating to a product or process, a new design, an article, a literary or artistic work, and a trademark. Intellectual property right can be defined as the right held by a person over the creation of his mind or intellect. Intellectual property rights are the statutory rights once granted allow the creator or owner of the intellectual property to exclude others from exploiting the same commercial for a given period of time. Scope in industrial properties. First of all, patents, industrial design, trademarks, trade secrets, plant varieties, integrated circuits, geographical indicators. Copyright, literature, novel, poem, plays, films, musical, artistic, drawing, photographs, performing arts. Scope for intellectual property, patents like patents हो गया, trade secrets, copyrights, trademarks, design, geographical indications. Importance of IPR. It can be used to establish the goodwill and brand value in the market. Inventor, creator, or author of an IP can mention about the IP in his/her resumes and thus show their competence. IPR certificate establishes legal and valid ownership about an intellectual property. It encourages new industry and research, facilitate technology transfer. Trademark. A trademark is any design that can distinguish the goods of one trader from those of another. It includes symbols, words, logos, pictures, colors, or combination of these. In pharmaceutical area, trade names for certain drug may be registered as a trademark. Example, Viagra. It is covered under the act called Trademark Act 1999. It replaced Trade and Merchandise Act 1958. It extends to whole India. Different symbols of trademark like registered trademark हो गया, intent to use, application field for product या फिर intent to use application field for service, SM for service and TM for product. Duration of trademark 10 years plus renewable and service mark 17 years plus renewable. Copyright. The term originated in the copyright law means that the work originated with the author. It is right which grants protection to the unique expression of idea. India has a very strong and comprehensive copyright law based on Indian Copyright Act 1957, which has embedded in 1982, 1984, 1992, 1994 and 1999. What covered by copyrights? Literature, films, dramatic, musical, artistic, sound recording, books, broadcasts, etc. Thank you. Have a nice day.